Greetings, my name is James Curtis Geist. I've been a history teacher for 20 plus years. I've been writing since 2016. I love my coffee and I love my Dr. Squatch cologne. If you enjoy the stories that I share, please hit like and subscribe. Today's story is coming from bottom of the food chain, and it's entitled Geist Reptile Farm, circa August of 2012. It is a sweltering, humid summer July day, and a torrential thunderstorm has passed through. At 4:30 p.m., I go on the deck to read a book. 100 feet away in the woods, I see a large white branch. I think it's a branch. It kind of looks like a snake. I go back to reading, but something's not right. I get my binoculars, and the stick raises its head. I call the West Milford police, who call some snake wranglers. It turns out to be a 16-foot Albino Burmese Python. How did it get there? How did it get loose? Did someone dump the snake in the woods next to my place? 3 days later, I'm making breakfast. I look out my window, and there in my yard is another long snake. This time, it is a 10-foot Carmel Burmese Python next to my shed. I call the West Milford police again, and the dispatcher says, Bayonne Drive? Another python? I say yes, and she says, what's going on up there? The police call the wranglers again. I am told that the snakes came to a total of $10,000 in value. If I sold them, I could have paid off my credit cards. I need to put up a sign on my property that says Geist Reptile Zoo. Google West Milford, New Jersey pythons. You'll find the many articles of the weird New Jersey event. So God bless you, all humans and ETs. All my books are on Amazon, and thank you so much for listening.